Welcome to this video on the global voice assistant giants. We will be analyzing the top 7 platforms, defining how we interact with technology in the 21st century. We are exploring the major players that are shaping the future of conversational AI and how these platforms are changing our daily lives. Our first giant is Amazon Alexa, the smart home king. Its ecosystem dominates via Echo devices and over 100,000 compatible smart home products. The key feature is Skills, which allows third-party developers to infinitely expand functionality. Next is Google Assistant, which is intelligence redefined. Built on the world's most powerful search engine, it excels in context-aware conversations and information retrieval, available on over 1 billion devices globally. Number 3 is Apple Siri, the privacy pioneer. Launched in 2011, it was the first mainstream virtual assistant. Today, it focuses on on-device processing to enhance user privacy and handles over 25 billion requests per month. Samsung Bixby offers deep device control and seamless integration. It is designed for granular control of device settings, performing complex, multi-step tasks, and leveraging Samsung's appliance market for a SmartThings-centered ecosystem. Xiaomi Xiao AI is the Eastern giant. It is the cornerstone of Xiaomi's AIoT strategy, immensely popular in China, and features highly localized Mandarin Chinese optimization with over 110 million monthly active users. Baidu Duer OS is recognized for AI-first connectivity. It provides an open platform for third-party hardware manufacturers, specializing in smart displays and automotive integrations, boasting over 400 million installed devices. Finally, Yandex Alice is known for personality and nuance. Alice is optimized for the linguistic complexities of Russian and is widely considered the voice assistant with the most human-like personality. It's integrated into navigation and ride-sharing apps. Looking at the estimated global reach, Google Assistant leads with over 1 billion devices. Apple Siri follows with over 600 million, while Baidu Duer OS and Amazon Alexa also show significant presence. The innovation timeline shows key milestones. Siri launched in 2011, followed by Alexa in 2014, creating the smart speaker category. Google Assistant arrived in 2016, and the future points to general AI integration starting in 2024. Thank you for watching this video on the intersection of voice and AI.